Hey folks, today we're going to talk about adding a Boss rear view mirror and backup camera to my Jeep Wrangler. I originally bought this for my Ford, but got the internal display working, so I decided to add it to my wife's Jeep. The Boss rear view mirror camera kit comes with a rear view mirror with a built-in 4.3 inch 480 by 234 video screen, with video inputs for both the backup camera and one aux input. The backup camera is a night vision. It also has a sensor. Comes with a hole saw just in case you want to put it in as a flush mount. Also a mounting bracket if you don't. Comes with all the power cables and the video extension cables required. The video camera also comes with rings that allow you to mount it flush or at a certain angle to get that right view. The power wires on the camera and mirror are so small they won't splice into the existing power connectors on the cigarette lighter plug or rear view light. So I just added some 22 gauge wire onto there, soldered it on, and used some heat shrink to isolate it and insulate it. So here's how I ran the cable. I mounted the camera to the bumper at the top of the little tire hole there, and I put a little electrical rubber hose on it to make the cable a little more thicker. It goes down along the bumper, and then there's a little hole down here that comes up through the tail light. So it comes up through the tail light, and I connected it to the white and green wire, and that's the positive to the camera, and then the negative is the negative here, connected to the negative of the reverse light. That's what turns on the camera on the mirror. As you can see, here is the video cable that runs up through the rubber grommet through the passenger side rear light. And then I followed the power harness from the back down to the bottom of the thing. You can see it coming out there, and then I'm going to run it under the floorboard to the front. Okay, now they have the cables run up to the front. I'm going to test them out just to make sure before I finish the install and connect them to the lighter plug, just to be sure. So I've connected the video source. I got a little 12-volt battery here to power the mirror. 12-volt ground goes to the mirror harness that goes up along the thing across and connects down into the mirror here. So you can see the little light here that's on right here because I got it connected to the battery. Let's turn the car on, put it in reverse, and there you go. The backup camera seems to be working. At the bottom, and then it just hooks at the top. So you're going to pull out and then down, and that will detach your access panel. From there, you can reach up under here and spin the lighter here. You need to spin the lighter until the notch aligns with the notch in the plastic, and then you can wiggle it out and bring it forward. This will give you access to the red power wire and ground that you'll connect the mirror cable to. To run the mirror cable assembly, I'm going to run it up into the dashboard up here, follow this along, and then down the frame to the bottom, and then over to the cigarette lighter plug. In order to get it up in here, I'm using just a small screwdriver. Carefully put it in, up, under, and twist it just a little bit, and that will give you enough room to tuck the wire up in there. So there you have it. I hope that helped you install a backup camera for your Jeep. Happy road trip, and don't forget to like and subscribe below.